In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Threads profile on iPhone. Keeping your profile current helps people recognize you quickly and understand what you share. I'll walk you through each part of your profile and offer simple tips, so by the end you'll have a clean, clear presence on Threads. Start by opening the Threads app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load and you'll land on your feed. Next, head to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. It's the circular button with your picture or placeholder image. This takes you to your profile page where you can see your photo, name, username, and bio. Right beneath your profile details, tap Edit Profile. This opens the screen where all your personal info and visuals can be adjusted in one place. From here, tap the specific field you want to change. If you choose Name, think of it as the display label people see at a glance, so use something recognizable and easy to read. If you select Username, remember this is how people can mention or search for you, so keep it simple, consistent, and memorable. For Bio, write a concise description that tells people what you post about or what you're into. A friendly tone and a few keywords go a long way. And if you're updating your profile photo, pick a clear image with good lighting. Faces should be centered and visible, and logos should have enough contrast to stand out in a small circle. You can adjust cropping so the important part of the image sits right in the middle. After you've made your edits, review everything on the screen. Double-check spelling and spacing, and make sure your details match how you want to be seen. Avoid sharing sensitive information, and keep text scannable by using short, readable lines. When you're happy with the changes, tap Done at the top right. This saves your updates and returns you to your profile, where you can instantly see how everything looks together. If something doesn't look quite right, you can always tap Edit Profile again and refine your text or swap the photo. And if updates don't appear immediately, give the app a moment or refresh your profile view. That's it. With just a few taps, you've refreshed your Threads profile, so it's clear, professional, and truly yours.